and it gives you like estimated runtime that you have. So it's really awesome. I really like this. Hey everybody, John Villarreal here, and I have another great product review video for you. The CyberPower 1500 PFC LCD UPS uninterrupted power supply battery backup. Now, this is great. I've had two of these before. Well, let me explain. When I moved to Florida the first time, there's a lot of lightning strikes here, in my opinion. First of all my personal opinion only, not alleging facts, not casting aspersions. Please check all the disclaimers and information in the video description below. I'll have links to this product, a bunch of other stuff that I like to use for my home entertainment and YouTube videos, and very critical, important disclaimers. Please check all that stuff out in the video description below. Now, when I moved to Florida the first time, I did some research, and there's a lot of lightning strikes here and different power surges that can happen because of that. I had a computer, I have no idea if it was related or not, that went out. And I've never really had a computer that went out before. I don't know if the motherboard got fried. It seemed like maybe, possibly, in my opinion, who knows. I mean, I had it for a while, so. But certainly, I was having brownouts, we were having power outages. It was definitely an issue, particularly doing videos or just doing any work on the computer. And obviously, if you're buying higher end stuff, or really anyone, in my opinion, that wants to protect their stuff, might want to look for options that are going to potentially help with these power surges, in my opinion, and also keep your computers on, because it's not so great when some of these things shut off very quickly. And so I looked into this. I looked into a lot of different options. The reason I went with this, and I'm going to show the actual product, but it's hooked up right now, and it's just easier to show when it's hooked up. This, in my opinion, is one of the best, if not the best, solutions for a home computer. And I'll tell you why I believe that in a minute here. First of all, let me talk about what this does. I got the 1500, and that gives me 1,000 watts of output. That's pretty powerful. When I bought the two systems before that I had, they were, I want to say 900. They were the older technology. I think they were 900. Again, I'll have information in the video description below of output. And they did not have the updated LCD. They did have an LCD, but they didn't have, this one is updated. It has a color display. It's pretty cool. But those two backups lasted me, one went out when I was in Baltimore. The other one went out more recently in Florida, but they lasted for years and years. But what's cool about this is this has sine wave output. And from what I understand, that is a better technology of power deliverance for the computers. That it's supposed to really, better mimic. And again, I'm not an electrician, I'm not alleging anything, but the research I saw says that this is the way to go. And this has energy saving technology. It's got power protection for computers with the active power correction. It's got management software, multi-function LCD display with color display, automatic voltage regulation, and it's got 12 surge protected outlets and 6 with battery backup. So I've got my computer on there, the monitor on there, different things that I can put on there. I still have plenty of space. It also has connections for your modem and your USB charging points, and it has a 3-year warranty and also a connected equipment guarantee. So that's really cool. And it's got some other features too, but those are sort of the main features. But I'm not going to make this a long video. I want to quickly show you what this looks like. So here you go. That's the main power button right here. I never took this off. I guess I should probably take that off maybe. Why not? And the display, and you can see here, you can see that color display. That's really nice. Before, we really just had this kind of output. So it's nice to have that, and you can have a setup here. You can see different things with the display. It'll give you different outputs, the wattage, voltage, and it should give you some, how much charge is on there. That's great. It's good. It gives a lot of really good detail there, and it gives you like estimated runtime that you have. So it's really awesome. I really like this. How many events you've had. See, that's cool. Okay, here in the back, you can see you've got outlets for your modems, or plugins for your modems rather. Over here on this side is where you've got your surge protected but not battery backup outlets. These ones over here, these are the ones where I have my stuff plugged in. Those are the ones that are surge protected and have battery backup. So that's really nice. You also have this extra space here at the top where you can put the bigger block plugs in as well. So you've got a bunch of outlets there. Is it 12 in total, I believe? 1, 2, 3, yep, 12 in total. 6 have battery backup, 6 do not. You also in the front have the USB ports. Okay, so to wrap up, that's my review of the CyberPower CP1500 PFC LCD UPS system with sine wave output. It's a great system. I really like it a lot. It's given me peace of mind. So, you know, my computer's covered. I don't have to worry as much, in my opinion, about downtime or things of that nature. And I think there's been some nice improvements from the last generation. I really like it. I'll have a link to this and some other products that I use for my home entertainment system and for my YouTube videos in the video description on YouTube below, along with some very critical disclaimers. On a 1 to 10, I'm going to give this system, I would give it probably a 9.5. I think it's a very, very strong system. I like it. I've been happy with it. But you tell me what you think, and please give me the comments below. Also, importantly, please subscribe. A lot of our viewers will watch our videos and they don't subscribe, so please subscribe. Also, turn on notifications. Thanks so much. I'm John DiVillero. I will see you next time.